Codemagic is the favorite solution of the Flutter community when it comes to continuous integration and continuous deployment. It's focused on Flutter, its easy-to-use interface, its amazing support for Android, iOS, web and desktop builds, and its competitive price makes it a really strong automation product. Once you're logged in Codemagic, you will see all your projects ready to be built. Simply click on the Setup Build button to start configuring your automation. Since this is the first time that we're connecting our application, we can see a list of workflow templates to choose from. In our case, we want the Flutter widget template that will allow us to run our test. As you can see, it already offers a sample of a configuration file. We are going to copy its content and paste it on a new file called codemagic.yaml at the root of our project. We will make a few modifications to match our needs. Our preferred environment will be stable, and we are going to run the test excluding those with the no CI tag. After the file has been created, we will commit our changes on source control and push them. We will go back to our browser, refresh it if it's needed, select our branch, and finally click on the button Check for configuration file. As you can see, because the configuration file has been detected, we can go ahead and start running our first set of tests on Codemagic. Once all the steps are completed, you should see that your build completed successfully.